Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on differentiated pricing. Let's start with the introduction. Price discrimination is the disproportional pricing set by a company for two or more items. The three types of discriminations are: first degree price discrimination. The seller bases the pricing of an item given to a customer on the basis of the magnitude of the customer's demand. Second degree price discrimination. The cost is reduced by the seller when the buyers are ready to buy in larger quantities. And third, the seller charges item depending on the buyer's class. Third degree price discrimination can be further broken down on the following cases. First, customer segment pricing. Second, image pricing. Third, product form pricing. Fourth, location pricing. And fifth, time pricing. Let's look at each one of them briefly. Starting with the customer segment pricing. Different buyers pay a different amount for the same item on the basis of the segment that they are part of. Example, museums have different prices for children and for senior citizens. Next, image pricing. Price discrimination by companies can be based on the image a product has created in the market. Example, cosmetic brands and clothing brands. Third, product form pricing. Prices can be set differently for different varieties of a single product. Example, manual and automatic variations of passenger cars are priced differently in markets. Fourth, location pricing. Pricing may be set differently for products depending on the buyer's location. Example, customers are charged on the basis of their seating location in cinema halls. And finally, time pricing. Price can vary according to time. In-season prices are higher as compared to the off-season. Example, happy hours in pubs, and airline tickets to Goa from June to September are cheaper as compared to tickets to Goa in December. Now let's look at an example of Disneyland. Disneyland increased the prices of its tickets in February 2020. The ticket prices now exceed around $200 for the first time in history. The peak day tickets for adults, that is on Saturdays and Sundays, to Disneyland and California Adventure rose from $149 to $154. But the cost of off-peak days, that is Tuesdays and Wednesdays, in non-summer months for the lowest price tickets are still at a constant $104. Disneyland formerly followed a 3-tier plan for its ticket system. But moving forward, it has changed to a 5-tier ticket system instead. In the place of value, regular and peak tickets, Disneyland now has a Tier 1 to Tier 5 pricing system. Tier 1 system of ticket pricing is to be followed on slowest, least crowded days, whereas a Tier 5 system is to be followed on the busiest, most crowded days. The cost of Tier 1 ticket is the same as Disneyland's former $104 off-peak ticket. But the Tier 5 ticket of $154 sees a rise of 3% as compared to the former $149 peak tickets. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on differentiated pricing. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.